Hello everyone. This is our final year BTech project, a shoulder surfing resistant graphical authentication system. This project was implemented by Abarna TM, Ashika Varghese, Babita Raju and Deepthi Paulus, and we were guided by our respected faculty Soumya Miss. Most of the authentication systems use text-based passwords, but a strong text password is hard to memorize, so people tend to choose simple passwords, and this is considered as the weakest link in the authentication chain. Attackers can easily observe and obtain such passwords when the user inputs them in a public place, and this is referred to as shoulder surfing. So, to overcome this problem, we have proposed a novel graphical authentication system named Passmetrics, and it is used to overcome many problems such as the security weakness of the traditional PIN method, the easiness of obtaining passwords by observers and public, and the compatibility issues with the devices. Our proposed system, Passmetrics, mainly consists of two phases: registration phase and authentication phase. In the registration phase, the user has to input a unique username. An image, which is divided into several equal grids, will also be provided to the user. The user has to select one grid among them as the pass image. During the authentication phase, the user has to provide the unique username that he has inputted during the registration phase. He will then obtain a one-time login indicator which is randomly generated each time the user tries to authenticate himself. The user has to align the coordinates of the pass image with the one-time login indicator using the horizontal and vertical bars provided in the next screen. If the alignment is correct, the user is successfully authenticated. The Passmetrics is mainly composed of 6 modules: image discretization module, horizontal and vertical access control module, login indicator generator module, communication module, password verification module, and database.
This is the first page that the user gets when they install the application. So first we have to register for this. So I click on the register button. As I click on the register button, we obtain a page in which there is a text box provided for entering the username as well as a gridded image for selecting the pass image. So in the username box, I have to enter a unique a username that have not been used before, and I have to select one image as the pass image. So here I have selected the third picture in the fourth row as the pass image, and I click on the register button. So we can see the user registration is successful, and then now we have to perform the login. So I click on the login button. So there is a provision for entering the username. So I enter the username that I have used during the registration phase, and I click on the login, and I have obtained a one-time login indicator. So my login indicator is 1C. So we have to just memorize this one. So 1C is my login indicator, and I continue. And so my pass image was the third picture in the fourth row, and my login indicator is 1C. So I have to align 1 to the last row. It is already in the last row, so I have to just click on that, and I have to align C with the third column. So I have aligned my login indicator with the coordinates of my pass image, and I click on the login, and I am successfully logged in. So this is how our graphical authentication system works.
Humans tend to memorize graphical passwords more than text passwords, so the Passmetrics is much easier to memorize. It also resists the users from shoulder surfing attacks by using the one-time login indicator and the horizontal and vertical bars. So, It is proved that the pass matrix is 100% resistant towards shoulder surfing attacks. Thank you.